Hello guys, this is Dash Armstrong, and today I'm doing kind of a DIY project, kind of. You will see once you look at the video. So I have this beard balm from Shea Moisture Men, and it's an amazing product, but it doesn't include some of my ingredients that I like tea tree oil and coconut oil. And I found this brand that's from the dollar store that has this amazing smell. So I was like, why not try to incorporate both of them together and, you know, make two products bomb. Like, let's do it. You know, I love the smell of the coconut oil and tea tree oil from the dollar store brand that I got, and I love the Shea Moisture products. As you see, my beard is struggled. I got the struggle beard. So what is the struggle beard? Patchy. So my beard is slowly coming in using these two products. So that's another reason why I want to incorporate them together, so I won't have to keep doing it separately and my beard won't be super oily. So you're just going to see me on the video today, just putting together some combinations and seeing how it goes. Let's check it out. Let's go. Okay, guys, so what I have is a little container. This is a microwavable container. I have this coconut oil right here, and this is the brand that I was talking about from the dollar store. Then I have my tea tree oil from the dollar store brand too. And then this is their beard balm from Shea Moisture. When I tell you it's a good beard balm, I love it, but I just want to incorporate it together. And this is the beard conditioner oil. Maybe I shouldn't put it together. Maybe it's not right, but I want to put it together, and I'm gonna do it just to make my morning routine a little easier. Okay, so it's a little hard to get out with this. So what I'm gonna do is grab So yeah, I just grabbed a spoon from the kitchen. Well, RIP to the spoon. I don't think I could use it after this, right? Legit just like scraping out everything. Sorry you guys can't see me scraping out. You really got to get into this shit. So I'm like, yeah. Okay, so this is it, empty, ready to do some damage. And I actually tried this before. Well, didn't try it before, but I tried it in a hard state to combine the two together. When I was I put this in there and then try to mix it out, but it wasn't getting hard enough. So it wasn't getting hard enough. I lied. So when I tried to combine it before, it was just oil in there. It wasn't combined. So I was like, yo, how can I get this to mix up and be one? I needed to. Oh, shit is popping. Shit is popping. I'm not trying to warm it up too much. Let's see if the heat can and don't get me wrong, this product smells good, but it doesn't smell as, let's put it a little more. The product smells good, but it doesn't smell better than my dollar store brand. This brand smells bomb. Get in the zone. Yo, but this brand smells good, and I'm keeping the tag on it so you guys can see it was cheap. Okay, so yeah. This is definitely what I needed it to look like. Okay, so yeah. This is definitely what I needed it to look like. It is now oil base. And then I'm hoping, like, once I add this like new oil in there, all I would have to do is just like put it back in a container and then like let it sit, and then it go back to like the hard state. So this is the coconut oil I'm adding. Boom, add the coconut oil. This is the Bare conditioner oil from the same company, Shea Moisture, that I'm adding. I know people are probably like, you're not supposed to do this. But like, why not? Why can't I? Why can I not do it? And then this is the tea tree oil that I'm adding. If it don't want to open. I'm not like taking measurements or doing that. Like whatever goes in there, whatever goes in there. I feel like it would balance out its shelf. So I thought it was gonna be like weird looking, but it looks great. Let me see something. It smells bomb. It smells so good, yo. I'm telling you. Those dollar store brands smell so fucking divine. So of course it might not go back in there exactly. I might have some extra because I added more oil to it, but we'll see. Well, look at here. Well, look at there. And of course this container is trash too because nobody don't want to be eating shit with me. Okay, so there you have it. We are done. So as you see, it's filled to the top. So I'm just gonna let it sit overnight. And I'm hoping by tomorrow, I'm gonna take a picture before I post. I'm hoping by tomorrow it should just go right back to the hard state and be good. So again, I used the Bare Balm from Shea Moisture Men. I used the Bare Conditioner Oil. I used the coconut oil from the dollar store. And I used the tea tree oil from the dollar store. And yeah, I feel like all these products can probably be found on Amazon. All this stuff can be found on like Amazon or whatever. And you know, if you want to try it, then try it. If not, hey, I'm definitely gonna be posting how the quality is, and if I see any difference, if it smells a little better, if it you know, comes on my beard a little bit easier, if it's more smoother. So you're definitely gonna hear about that. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for let me add something tonight. That's it of my fake DIY beard fake DIY beard conditioner. I think I'm gonna name the thing on my YouTube Struggle Beard Shea Moisture DIY Beard Balm. Yeah, that's gonna be all in the title. But guys, my ginger tea is smelling good and I can't wait to taste it right now. So I'm gonna head out. Thank you guys for tuning into the video, and please subscribe, leave a comment, and you know, follow me on all the social media sites. All right, guys.